Something about you is very different. Now, if you have found yourself in this message, in this video right now, it's not a coincidence. I invite you to stick around for a minute, especially if you've never seen me before. Hi, my name is Melissa, also, by the way. So what I'm picking up on is that something about you is very different. I'm also feeling your own spirit coming through right now. So your own soul, your own higher self coming through. The highest part of you coming through to talk to you. The part of you that has lived in multiple lifetimes. The wisest part of you is coming through. So this is a confirmation message for you right now. What I'm about to say is not really new information. It's more like a confirmation. Something about you is very different. You are showing up in a whole new demeanor, a whole new presence and power. And people can feel it. People can feel how you are no longer tolerating games. You are no longer tolerating, I'm hearing, bullshit. You're no longer tolerating people and their shit. I'm hearing, not my circus, not my monkeys. Figure it out yourself. You might be somebody who is letting go of people pleasing, meaning in a sense of not trying to, you're done trying to control the narrative that other people want to write about you. I'm also hearing you are speaking up on boundaries. This may be making people uncomfortable. This may be illuminating other people's shadows within them. Keep going. There's a new power and presence within you that is very, very needed. You might have been somebody before this who maybe gave your power away a lot. Hello, Fuzzy. You maybe gave your power away a lot. You maybe gave your power away to romantic partners, people of authority in some way. You know, just you gave your power away. And maybe you did this by writing stories about these people. Maybe that these, like, oh, this is what's happening. And like, maybe you put yourself in a victim mode, or maybe you put the story of like, this is how it's going to happen. I don't really have to do anything. This is just how the story is going to go, but not really recognizing your role in things. So you've really had to learn and hold accountability for yourself. That's why there's this new confidence. That's why you're not tolerating other people's shit, because you don't tolerate your own shit. So you're showing up now in a sense where you're meant to walk into rooms, and you have to be able to hold yourself in these rooms, the presence, the power that you have. Very interesting. That's what Spirit is saying right now. Seraphim angels are coming through. Mushrooms, the bird tribes, feathers. Snakes might be significant as well. Jaguars, hummingbird, eagle, condor. All right, I see you, medicine group. Hello. Thank you. The shamanic tribe that I've had the honors of studying some of their teachings. The Kiro Incan, they're coming through right now. Prophecy is unfolding. There is a new level of leadership that you are stepping into. You're different now. You are meant to lead by example. You are meant to lead by example and show up. And, you know, sometimes the example that you might set might make someone upset, because you have to protect yourself. You have to put a rebalancing in the energy. You have to put up a boundary, whatever it is. And it's not your circus. It's not your monkeys. It's not for you to deal with. And you're at this point now where you're so confident in your connection to yourself and God that you're like, they got this. They got this. I'm not going to tolerate that. They can figure it out themselves. I don't need to save anyone. I'm not here to save anyone. I'm not here to rescue you. You know, if you can't hold yourself accountable and see your own shit, we'll put you in an area by yourself so that you can. Away from me is like the energy I'm getting from you. Very interesting. So yes, there is a new level of confidence and power within you, and here comes the excitement and the energy. If you've made it this far, I know it was a little bit heavy. I know it was a little bit heavy. If you keep yourself grounded, taking care of your well-being, I'm hearing taking care of your well-being right now. Move slow and intentional. Take care of your well-being. Listen to the nudges of your soul and what you are being guided to do, what steps to take. And trust yourself. Trust them as you take them, as you walk them. And with this shift within yourself, this confidence, this power, I'm getting goosebumps, it comes in some really beautiful, well-deserved gifts. Well-deserved gifts. Some of you are getting a new home. Some of you are getting a whole new romantic life, a whole new romantic partner. Some of you are getting a home. Some of you are getting just this up level, everything all at once, this up level. And then I say everything all at once, like it's going to be a beautiful series of sacred events that take place as you continue to take care of your well-being, honor your boundaries, hold yourself accountable, and have fucking fun is what they're saying. Have fun, please, for the love of God. Goddess, you're here to play, my child, is what she's saying. I hear her coming through. You're here to play, my child, so have more fun too. Enjoy yourself. I have gifts for you. Have fun and play. Receive them with grace. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, this is just everything. This is a beautiful message coming through for this collective. Some of you have been calling in a whole new home life. Some of you have been calling in stable romantic partnerships. Some of you have been calling in success, deeper, more prosperous success in your business and in your career life. And oh, my love, it is happening now. My ear just started ringing. It is happening now. Confirmation from spirit. Thank you, thank you. The ancestors are coming through right now. 777 might be significant. I just saw 707 on my timer. Ooh, thank you for the confirmation. Okay. That feels like the end of the message. It's like a warm hug coming in right now. You had to toughen up. You had to become a little bit of a tough cookie. You had to hold yourself accountable for your role in things. And now you're taking actions that are restoring balance. And because of this, there are gifts. Keep trusting yourself and taking those actions. Be detached from the outcome and trust the process. Auspicious blessings are coming in. Oh, we're here in that channel now. All right, if you've been around on my channel for a little while, you know auspicious blessings. Those are always fun when they come in. It's happening now. Woo! If you would like to dive deeper in a personalized reading, go check out the sale event that I have going on right now. I would be honored to hold that space for you. I also have the Remember course on sale, or my Reiki bundle. If you're interested in any protection tools, any protection magic, energetic hygiene tools, things to support you on your spiritual awakening journey, I would be honored to hold that space. Everything that I offer is linked in my bio. It's linked in the description. And if you're feeling a little spicy, I have a tip jar. You know, if you feel spicy. I love you. It's an honor to channel these messages for the collective, and I will see you in the next aligned channeled message for you. Goodbye for now.